Local shares closed a tad higher on Tuesday. This is possibly because investors felt they may have overreacted to the trade tensions between the two superpowers. Jung-hwan breaks down the digits for us.
Korea's benchmark index, the KOSPI, opened sharply lower on Tuesday over concerns about U.S.-China trade talks, but rebounded by midway through the trading session to close the day 0.14% at 2,081.84. It was a slight recovery from the previous day when the index plunged 1.38% to mark its lowest close since January 14th. Experts blame the latest jitters on the renewed trade dispute between the world's two largest economies and attributed the rebound to excessive concerns the previous day.
There has been a recovery in the KOSPI market today, I think because they overreacted yesterday.
But concerns about overall sentiment still remain.
However, things are very unstable. We don't know how President Trump will react. We don't know how President Xi Jinping will react. We don't know if this protectionist trend will continue and get bigger. We don't know how China and U.S. will retaliate. So I think the market psychology is very unstable. They're very nervous right now.
Meanwhile, the local currency renewed a more than two-year low from just the previous day. It closed just below 1,191 to the dollar, down 1.91 from Monday. It was the fourth fall in the past 5 sessions, and experts are concerned the continued depreciation could negatively impact the domestic economy.
One of the reasons why there continues to be a lot of foreign investment in Korea, even though Korean policy interest rate is lower than U.S. policy rate, is that Korean won was expected to gain in value, appreciate. And if Korean won turns to a trend of weakening, then those investors may decide that Korea is not a good place to invest in, and they may withdraw their foreign investment.
The better-than-expected performance by the U.S. economy in comparison to the weakening local economy is believed to be the main reason behind the won's continued depreciation. Jung-hwan, Arirang News.